Having your dealer perform regularly scheduled maintenance on your sterndrive or inboard engine is always a great idea, but most times, you're the best person for the job. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, we got you covered with Quicksilver sterndrive and inboard oil change kits. Each oil change kit includes the appropriate amount of Quicksilver SAE 25W40 4-stroke marine engine oil, along with an engine-specific OEM quality oil filter, and complete instructions to get the job done right. To find the right kit for your engine or to locate your nearest Quicksilver retailer, visit quicksilver-products.com. All premium Quicksilver oils and filters are designed to keep your marine engine running at its peak, no matter your make or model. So, if quick, convenient, and reliable is your thing, choose Quicksilver and choose performance, protection, and peace of mind.